This is Setting Up Your Trading Station, brought to you by the Falai Trading Academy, where we trade smart and invest better. My name is Ade Falai, and in this video, we'll be going through the steps involved in setting up your trading station. So, we'll start with choosing a broker. What is a broker? In trading, a broker acts as an intermediary between the traders, the buyers and sellers, and the financial markets. They provide a platform for you to execute trades on various instruments such as stocks, Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. So, first step in choosing a broker. The broker is your gateway to the financial markets, so choosing the right one is crucial on your trading journey. First thing you need to consider is regulation. Ensure the broker is regulated by a reputable authority like the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, or the Securities and Exchange Commission in the USA. Fees and spreads. Look for competitive spreads and low commissions. Beware of hidden fees like withdrawal charges, because these brokers make their money off fees, and you need to understand exactly how they do this. Leverage and account type. Check the leverage offered and whether they provide beginner-friendly accounts like micro or demo accounts. Micro accounts are accounts that have smaller lot sizes, and this helps you in managing how much you can potentially lose when you're trading with these different accounts. Demo accounts are accounts where you can trade without using real money. Assets offered. Make sure they support the markets you want to trade, whether it's Forex, indices, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. Picking a trading platform. When it comes to trading, picking the platform to carry out your trades, conduct your backtest analysis, and record your results is very important. First thing to consider, your trading platform is where you analyze markets and execute trades. Most brokers provide access to platforms, but you want to choose the right one for your needs. And we'll look at some popular trading platforms. Other platforms are available. MetaTrader 4, or MT4, was launched in 2005, and it was developed by MetaQuote Software Corporation, a software company based in Cyprus. It's easy to use and highly customizable. It was the first trading platform I used when I began my trading journey. MetaTrader 5, or MT5, was released in 2010. It offers more advanced features such as multi-asset support, stocks, futures and Forex, a built-in economic calendar, and improved backtesting capabilities. I currently use MT5. So when you download the MT5 software and you launch it, this is the screen you get. You click the File tab and you get a drop-down menu, and you have options from New Chart, Open Deleted, all the way to log into a trade account or log into the web browser. The web browser is the same account you have on the platform, but just accessing it using, the various web browsers available. So from this menu, if you click Charts, you will get various options, and you see what assets are available for you to trade, from Forex to crypto, all the way to exotics and equities. So click File, click New Charts, and you get your menu for the different instruments. And this is how the default screen is displayed. Bullish candles are displayed in black, bearish candles in white. If you want to change any colors of any of the candlesticks or get rid of the grid you see, you can click Grid by right-clicking on the screen and clicking the grid from the menu. You can also change the properties of the screen, so you can change the candlestick colors, or you can go from candlesticks to line charts, and just customize the screen whichever way you prefer to trade. This is how my screen is. I changed the color of the bullish candlesticks to green and bearish candlesticks to red. The various assets you have open will be displayed at the bottom of the charts. So this whole section here can potentially be filled with multiple charts. And if you want to have multiple charts on your screen at the same time, you click this button on the top right hand of your screen, and it will split the screen up into as many charts as you have. In this case, I have two charts open. If I click this button, it will split it into half, one on either side of the screen. You also have your various time frames here, from the 1 minute, 5 minute to the 4 hourly and the daily. TradingView. TradingView is a web-based platform known for having a sleek interface and powerful charting tools. I couldn't say it better myself. I use TradingView for chart analysis, for backtesting, and it's a very useful platform. I should have a link in the bio if anybody wants to sign up to TradingView and gain access to their multiple indicators that they have. I think you get up to 50 indicators for free, and then you need to sign up to get some more. But it's a very useful platform, and the clickable link, if I attach it in the description below, will be an affiliate marketing link. So I will gain if you decide to subscribe, and I believe they're offering a discount on your initial subscription. So if you decide to go with TradingView, click the link and you should be able to register. So this is the TradingView homepage. By clicking the menu option, the three lines on the top left of your screen, you get the drop down menu, and if you click super charts, you will get depending on what assets you have open, this is the default setting. So like MT5, you can right click and edit the appearance of your candlesticks. As you can see, I've gone for the red and green. So this is my preferred setting for my display. If you want to change the assets, you click on the top left hand of your screen where Euro USD is displayed, and you get a drop down menu where you can type in whatever assets you're looking for. Click indicators to get a drop down menu of indicators. If you know what specific indicator you're looking for, you type it in the space, and it will give you the various versions of that indicator you're looking for if there's more than one. So tips for choosing a platform. You need a user-friendly platform. As you can see, I've just showed you how easy it is to get your way around the platforms I've used myself, and you don't want something that will be, too difficult for people to understand. Strong analytical tools. I've also showed you the options for the tools you can use, the on-screen and off-screen indicators. And as somebody who trades using indicators, multiple indicators, I've found these platforms to be useful for my algorithm and strategy. Customizable charts. We've already done that. I've shown you how to customize the various charts to whatever colors you want to use for your display. Reliable execution speeds. This is more relevant for people who trade the lower time frames. I trade the daily charts, so my candlesticks take 24 hours to form. If you're trading the 1 minute chart, for example, and you click a button to buy or sell, and it takes 10, 20, 30 seconds for it to execute, we all know the 1 minute charts can be very unforgiving. So you need to make sure that you're going with a platform that has a short execution time frame. So you want as close to instant execution as possible. Setting up essential tools for trading. We'll start with the economic calendar. You should use economic calendars to stay on top of major events like interest rate decisions and economic data releases. For those who trade the lower time frames, it is very important to make sure you know what news is coming up, because news can introduce volatility into the markets, which we want. But if that volatility is going in the opposite direction where you want it to, you would find yourself in a very difficult position. So I choose not to trade when there's economic news coming up if I'm trading Forex, and your strategy needs to align with dealing with news. For my news, I either go to forexfactory.com or investing.com. So you get options where you can click on past news events or upcoming news events, and you can use these to decide when to trade or when to stay out of the market. Some people only trade with high volatility news. I don't. So whatever strategy you use, make sure it aligns with the news and how to use it to your benefit. Charting tools. So tools for carrying out technical analysis are essential for swing trade strategies. Like I've already said, I use indicators, on-screen and off-screen indicators to trade. So charting tools are very important for my strategy. TradingView has excellent tools, indicators that I use. MetaTrader 5, we've also gone over that. MetaTrader 5 is very useful with some, I would say, relatively basic tools, and some people are able to use those tools to trade the markets effectively. So on TradingView, to get the indicators, you click on the indicators tab on top of the screen, and you can then type in whatever indicator you're looking for. So it gives you a long list of indicators that you can select for your strategy. Journaling trades. Tracking your trades is crucial for growth and strategy. This is very important, and I use Excel or just general notepad. Now, I would say you need at least 4 columns for this. You need the dates, which tells you what date you took the trade or the trade would have been taken in the past. Instruments, which tells you what you're trading, Euro USD, commodities, you put that into the instruments column. The next column should be your profits and loss, either in ATR, your average true range, pips, or percentage of your opening balance. And then you have the 4th column, notes, and this is where you record when things don't go to plan. So if you've closed a trade prematurely and that trade has flown and hit your take profit, if you've closed a trade anticipating it to hit your stop loss but it hasn't, and the trade then bounces in the direction it should have gone, this is where you put all this information. Creating the right environment for trading. You need your charting tools. And now your tools are all set up, you need to create a focused trading environment. You need a dedicated workspace, very important. So set up a quiet, clutter-free space with a reliable internet connection. You need multiple monitors if you're trading the lower time frames, especially. I use my phone and my laptop. So you need extra screens which can help you monitor charts, news, and your trading platform simultaneously. I say need, depending on the time frame you trade. I find if you trade the daily time frame like I do, you can get away with it with one screen. But if you're trading lower time frames and you're keeping your eyes on different assets at the same time, then multiple screens will be recommended. Ergonomics. Invest in a comfortable chair and a desk at the right height to avoid fatigue if engaging in long trading sessions. As somebody who trades the daily charts, I trade in the last 20 to 30 minutes of the candlestick. So my trading sessions are not, by definition, long trading sessions. So even though this doesn't apply to me specifically, it's still a good idea to get the right desk and chair for when you do trade, whether it's long term or short term. Time management. Set specific hours for trading based on your preferred market sessions. As I've already said, I trade in the last 20 to 30 minutes of the candlestick whenever the markets are open. So my time for trading is set and I should not change that, meaning I shouldn't decide to trade halfway through the markets, because relying on candlesticks 12 hours after the markets have opened is not a reliable way to trade. Testing your setup with a demo account. A demo account is a simulated trading account offered by brokers or trading platforms that allows users to practice trading in a risk-free environment. risk-free being the words I'll focus on here, because trading is all about risk management, and if you don't know how to manage risk, you're gambling and you're being reckless. So practicing, if nothing else, how to allot the right risk to each trade on a demo account is something I would recommend for everybody who trades. And because it mimics real market conditions but uses virtual money instead of real funds. So like I've already said, it's the safe way to begin your trading journey. Benefits of a demo account: you learn how to place orders and use risk management tools. You get familiar with the market's speed and volatility, which is probably one of the hardest things to get your head around once you start trading. You build confidence before trading a live account, but I always say, trade demo accounts up to a certain point and then, go into the live markets. So, final thoughts. Setting up your trading station is the foundation of your trading journey. There's no doubt about it. This is where you will execute your trades, and it needs to be aligned with a professional trader's trading station. So as somebody who's coming into this multi-trillion-dollar market, whatever you're trading, it's down to you to make sure that the environment matches what you're trying to do. You should also take time to choose the right broker, platform, and tools, and create an environment that promotes focus and discipline. Trading the multi-billion or trillion-dollar charts is serious business, and you need to conduct your business in the right space, with the right broker, on the right platform, and using the right tools. And remember, this is just a start. The next step is mastering the charts, which we'll cover in the next video. So if you have any questions about any of the topics I've covered today, put your questions in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed the video, click the like button. Subscribe to get notification for further videos on trading the Falai Trading Academy way.